Class 10, History and Civics chapter, the National Movement 1935 to 42 continued. This is the third part of this chapter. Let's begin with this chapter. Subhash Chandra Bose and his contributions, laying the foundation of the Forward Bloc and INA. Subhash was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa, in a Bengali family. He passed the ICS examination in 1920, getting 4th position, but he resigned from the government job to join the freedom movement. He took part in the non-cooperation movement and the civil disobedience movement launched by Gandhiji. But when these were withdrawn, he criticized Gandhiji. Gradually, he expressed his socialist views and became a hero of the younger congressmen. He was elected president of the Congress in 1938. He was opposed to any compromise with Britain and also favored the policy of large-scale industrialization. All this created a rift between Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose. The Gandhi wing and the Bose wing were formed in the Congress, refusing to be a puppet president under the Gandhi wing. Subhash resigned from presidentship of the Congress on April 29, 1939. Later, his supporters were gathered into a radical and progressive party within the Congress called the Forward Bloc. It aimed to achieve swift independence and then establish a socialistic society. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj, the Indian National Army or INA, in Singapore on July 5, 1942. He became its supreme commander and organized the Indian Independence League. He said, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." After this military campaign against the British, the Japanese handed over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to Netaji, as he was called. He renamed as Shahid and Swaraj Islands respectively. Thus he acquired the first stretch of territory in free India. His army occupied Pelitwa, Deltma and Modoc in Burma. They were about to capture Kohima, but the Japanese had to withdraw their support to fight the Americans in the Pacific Ocean. The advancing rains also dampened their plans. The INA failed in its mission, but inspired many soldiers to do heroic deeds. The British were made to realize that they could no longer rely on the Indian forces to continue their rule in India. Chief objectives of the Forward Bloc. The new party founded by Subhash Chandra Bose within the Congress in 1939 with a more radical and progressive objective came to be known as the Forward Bloc. Its chief objectives were to organize all the progressive and radical elements in the Congress under one head, to vehemently oppose the British government, to struggle for immediate liberation of the country and establishing a socialistic society after achieving the independence. Objectives of the INA, that is Indian National Army. The main objectives were to organize an armed rebellion and to attack the British Army with water arms. The rebellion to be organized by the Indians living in East Asia, to set up a provisional government of free India in order to mobilize the forces effectively. Total mobilization of Indian manpower and money for the rebellion. Significance and achievements of INA. The INA set an inspiring example of patriotism before the Indian people. The heroic deeds and sacrifices of the soldiers of INA led to political consciousness among the Indian forces. The British now realized that they could not rely on the Indian forces to continue their rule in India. Thus, the INA played an important role in British final decision to quit India. Here ends this chapter.